Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Khashiing National People's Party kalapan paushai bakadan ke jingshania teli ha ke Jingthombor balai luan ha ke kenhon ke balathong de ke sarkar jela kumbala kular da menteri ketnat ki kampo yeng ke jela u James PK Sangma ha ke darbar kerpang jong ke yeng darbar thawan ke badang shudap long ha ke arpnyo trik mutau nai weng arja khatpra kani ke jingshania jong ke NPP ya ke Jingthombor ke balathong de ke sarkar kalami na ke sentur jong national president jong ke NPP u Konrad ke Sangma u balong ru menteri rangba ke jela ha ke jingkren bat kinong pathai khobor hadin belakot ke jingalang jong ke political affairs committee jong ke NPP ke balalong henne ke sngi ke arpndai trik mentau nai weng arja khatpra ha ke office trekam jong ke NPP ke baran hapo lawa la shumia ha ke ni gnong ba shilong ha ke juk kapor u Konrad ke Sangma ulai thuru ba ka parti hi ke shania teli ha ki bor ka an ban Tohkit yi ke jingshisha Halor ke jingkeno persya yau nong yalam ke NPP jong ke rilom jantia uba ni damon chulet ba udai ubai don kti Jingthombor ke kong Agnes Khashiing bat ke Amita Sangma ke balaja ha ke praterik mentau nai weng arja khatpra ha ke snong tuber so shre.
And so we have made it a point among all our ministers and MLAs that we should visit the party office, at a regular interval, so that we can connect back with the people and the party officials. So that was the main purpose. And number two, of course, we have a political affairs committee, the PAC, where we have 4 members. So that is Mr. Dr. Khaluki and Deputy Chief Minister and the Transport Minister and myself are in that committee. And so just we discussed some issues relating to the party and its organization. And apart from that, there were some other people, individuals, leaders, ex-MLAs, MDCs from Jente Hills who have decided to join the NPP. So we welcome them today to the party. So that was the basic idea. Discussing about how to strengthen the party and how to work towards the upcoming MDC elections, the Lok Sabha elections. So all those issues were discussed, but mainly it was about strengthening the party. We did brief the party because obviously everybody listens to and watches the news and reads the newspapers. But we thought it's our responsibility to inform the party, me and members also, about the government's decision to constitute an independent inquiry into the whole matter. Very clear, I think Home Minister has made a statement on the floor of the House saying that it does not matter who the person is or from which political party, that law will take its own course and whatever is based on evidence will be done and action will be taken. So I think
internal inquiry being carried out by the
party? Yeah, Home Minister made it clear. Internal inquiry by the party?
By the party?
No. This is not an inquiry to be done by the party level. It is police that's going to do the inquiry and we completely stay away from the whole thing and the police will do its job.